Hi guys, so this recipe is really easy, very limited ingredients, but it's one of my favorite healthy kale salads. I start with a base of baby kale. You can also use arugula. Those are the two that I switch up. I'm not a big spinach person. It's always baby kale or peppery arugula. Then I add in rotisserie chicken. You can shred it or dice it like I did here. Some avocado, fresh cucumber, red onion, red seedless grapes, and some itty bitty bite-sized pieces of broccoli and cauliflower. And I totally forgot to film the dressing, but it's really simple. I make the same dressing every time. It's apple cider vinegar, olive oil, fresh cracked pepper, some Himalayan salt, and then a little bit of lemon. So you want to toss that all together. And you have absolutely no excuse not to eat healthy because this is so easy. The only hard part is the chopping, and it's just a different little twist for a healthy lunch or even a dinner if you keep these items in stock. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for more healthy videos because I'm back on healthy eating. No more banana pudding and fattening stuff. Have a delicious day. See you next time.